Doing this one.
James, who is washing your clothes?
My sister.
Your sister? She's not complaining.
Even though she complained, we have nothing to say about it.
Meron nga pala mga nagtatanong na kamusta na daw ba yung mga dikdik dito. Ayan o. Lagi pa rin nandito yan pagka umaga. Umaga ko sila pinapakain. Pati yung mga pusa. Yung mga pusa minsan tanghali, gabi. Pero yung mga dikdik, madalas sa umaga lang sila pumupunta. Yan ang kinakain nila oh. Kanin din. Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ngayon nga pala, papasok ng trabaho. Biyernes na naman eh. Bilis lang ng araw. Sabado, linggo wala kaming pasok. Ngayon hindi ko sigurado kung nandyan na sila James, yung mga nag-mission. Dahil kahapon nung umuwi ako, wala pa sila. Pero nung nandito na ako sa compound, parang may narinig ako mga dumating na mga truck. Kaya baka sila na yon. Minsan kasi sinasadya na ng mga driver na magpagabi dahil ang binibilang doon yung gabi na hindi sila dito matutulog sa duty station nila. Narito na nga yung mga nagpunta sa mission oh. Merong nagka-problemang isa oh. Ayan oh, hinila nila. Dalawa yung nadali ang radiator oh. Ito pa isa. Ewan ko kung meron pang iba. Hello James.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
How is the mission?
The mission was good.
When did you arrive?
Yesterday at 5.
5. So how many days? 2? 3?
2. It will be 3. It's supposed to be 3 yesterday.
No, yesterday is not counted.
No, we came late.
Oh.
So,
What I know, if you stay there at night, so it will be counted only as 2.
no, we shall sign at 9.
Huh?
We sign at 9 later.
Ah,
So it will be counted at
should be counted 3.
3 days.
Good.
How are you doing?
Why you lay down there?
Huh? You are removing a starter, huh?
Start.
It's not easy to be removed in big truck. Huh?
This one is not problem. This one is small. But,
Oh, it's small. The small one. Huh?
The original starter. That
Ah.
one is big.
The original one is very heavy.
Very heavy.
Doing this one.
James, who is washing your clothes?
My sister.
Your sister? She's not complaining.
Even though she complained, we have nothing to say about it. Because it's my wife now. When I married, she will be my sister.
How many pieces? Comes out?
Who's me?
One piece 500.
Yeah, why? I don't know. Kanya lang galto. Kaya
Dami namin trabaho. Apurahan pa dahil kailangan daw bumiyahe uli. Break time. Ano kaya pagkain dito? Ito nga pala yung nabili kong saging sa labas. 500 ang isa. Ito yung kinuha kong pagkain. Tabaleka. At kisra. Ito, nakalimutan ko tawag nila dito, sumawiki. Kapag tamaleka yung ulam, ang kinukuha ko ng kapartner niya, ito ng kisra. Parang mas bagay siya kaysa sa kanin. Kain po tayo. Okay naman. Mas gusto ko ang lasa niya nung kisra kapag ito yung kapartner. Pag yung tamaleka. Yun nga pala mga gwardiya, tinatawag daw ako at meron daw nagbebenta ng honey. Oh, ito si James. James,
Oh, do you want to buy honey?
there is someone selling honey, ah?
Yeah, so those security guard told me that to come and inform you that if you need,
Okay, okay. I will go.
you will have one.
Somebody called me already.
Oh,
Okay. Josephine.
I told this man to go and call you. Really,
Ah,
Big is here. It's very nice.
one is how much?
50,000.
15,000.
Test me.
No test.
I'll
How
get
about
one.
you
I'll
test?
get one. One.
I want to test.
No, don't test.
No need to test.
No test. Don't test.
Oh, Audrey. Ah?
I was about to take the full one. He refused.
Okay, Josephine.
Have one, man.
Ate, wag one man. Parang ko po na.
Kaya ito.
Okay po. Mura yan.
Palirin ko.
Ito na yung ano, yung honey. Why you're drinking like that? How is it? Good, ah?
Very sweet.
At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung share ko ngayon. At shoutout nga pala kila Wilson Ascanio, Edward Banyel, Eduardo Sapanta, at kaya Joe Masbate Vlog. At sa lahat po ng mga nanonood sa atin, maraming salamat po.